good line sa inyo. Hindi ganito buti siya eh. Ganito iwan na mahino ako ni Katrina na daan na. Pero in the hospital, ang dead balang bamol could be on the level that you're on. So when you are going to get this one, bend on your knees and not on your waist. So mag-bend ko. Magkuha ko sini, mag-bend ko. Okay? Then pag-bend ko, isa ko kamot ali. And then another one is here. Okay? Punta ko siya sa center of the bed. Center of the bed. Then after that, bottom shift should start at the bottom with the smaller hand on top. You have to work on one side entirely first before going to another side. Okay? As I have mentioned kanina, the bigger hand should be at the top. That's why smaller hand dili una. Ang bigger hand, I am going to cover this one facing the direction of my work. Gather and I. And then I'm going to cut this one, and then my turn. I am going to point about 18 inches. I am going to bend. Get this one. This is my turn. Get this one. Fold. Ang isa pa siya nagkatso. Balik ang kamong katiil. Make this one as a perfect triangle. Bend on your knees. Bend this one, and then then I am going to get your
Rubber.
rubber draw. Rubber draw, this is the place to protect your bottom sheet right here. So, usually, inabutan niya siya under the buttocks. But in case your patient has craniotomy, tinuturahan ka sa ulo, and then there is a drainage. You can place this one on the head part. Or, if your patient na-amputate, pag ang iyang wound nag-pose on the head part, imutan mo niya siya sa foot part. So, pretending that we have an OB case na patient, I am going to place this one on the middle, which is the buttocks. Located, ibutan ko niya siya dito. Then, you roll. Work on one leg entirely first, on that side entirely first. Okay. Wrong side out. On this side, it's only 1 inch, and then the extra, wala siyang pagkakaroon. Okay, face the direction of your work. observe ka sa straight na lang back ni Ma'am Kailin na straight na siya. And then, ang imong foot, kagang imong hand, dapat kasunod. The same.
This might ring. This one. This is the way how you dress the pillow. Hindi pa na sa akin malay. Baliskad ah. Baliskad. Okay? Wow. Ngayon ang kamot isa. Masunod ang ating sa center. Sunod sa center. Ako. Baliskad. Avoid flapping your finger. Okay, you are going to place the opening of your pillow away from the door. This is for aesthetic purposes and
Away
to
from the
prevent the
door.
bacteria from getting inside your pillow. In some other may pillowcase di dyan nga may zipper na dito. Galing rin kita wala. Remember, when you have your bottom sheet, ang bottom sheet na ini is only for those hospital who doesn't have a fitted sheet. Kay is ang fitted sheet. Ang fitted sheet pala may garter. Kung walang garter, ang mga mo buka. Kaya not all hospitals may ara fitted sheet. Kita may ara fitted sheet dito hospital. Pero amo ni siya ang basic sa muna sa wala fitted sheet. Okay, place this one away from the door ang opening. And then I am going to get the top sheet. Oh, top sheet na bigger hand niya sa akin right. O sa akin left. Ay kung sa right ka magbibiro kapag bakong. Top sheet should start at the top. Bottom sheet, as you are going to start at the
Bottom.
Top sheet, the bigger hand should be placed at the
Top.
top. Okay, so yung top. Yung top sheet, isang top. O isang top. Ang
Pero
bottom sheet,
araya, yung side out mo nga.
Ibutan ang inyong top sheet at the top. Masulod na sa kakamot sa nako. Okay, and then after that,
Budlay lang yung piyo.
bring it this time. I am going to bring the smaller end on the full part. The smooth side of the linens should touch the face. This is now your
So if you notice, class, ang other sides ng bed, Nessie, balikan mo na siya. Unang last ng part na kayo. Okay.
my third point. Kaya mo siya parang aming end sa ipag-run roll. Mag-bend. Ang tiil ko ay ma-forward. Ang tiil na forward. Ang hamon, mabalik. Okay? Make this one sure. Try it. Okay. Forward. Balik. And then I will go on the other side. You are going to work layer per layer.
Bottom sheet.
Not so up and down. In order to make your bed smooth and wrinkle free. Okay, then again, monitor. After na natakbo na, I am going to monitor this one. Point, bend, isang pati inalao. Forward, ang tiil, forward ang kamay. Forward, ang tiil. Balik. Bend. Baba. Balik. Bend. Then, back. Then, another one, three. This one. So this is the direction of your work. This is your cotton row sheet. There's no need for you to place the cotton row sheet if there is no rubber row sheet. So your rubber row sheet should not be placed kung wala ka man cotton row sheet.
Para sa anong cotton draw sheet?
Your cotton row sheet is to protect
Rubber.
your rubber. At wala mo siyang idaan na kasi
Init.
kainit. And then your patient will feel uncomfortable.
Nasa rubber draw sheet and cotton draw sheet, inattack na siya together as other side. You observe. Is to save time and effort. Okay.
Kahipin.
Okay. Before ko i-close, i-open ko ha? For you to see what happened.
Oh,
Pili na siya. So, ito na. Naliliwa. Okay. Unfold ko lang. Unfold ko lang. Again, pattern. Then, monitor ko kuha. Forward.
Looks.
This is your closed bed or unoccupied bed. Balik, wala siyang occupied. Okay. Your closed bed or unoccupied bed is for the coming in
Patient.
na patient. Balik, no occupant. You are going to prepare your closed bed in the ward if the patient is already in the emergency room. You are not going to prepare your bed when the patient is
Alright.
not around. Why? Why do you think
Ano
you are not going to prepare your,
patient
your
para
closed
sa
bed
emergency,
if there is no
mag-prepare kung
patient?
wala ka patient.
Ito sinum-occupy.
Especially in the ward. Bacteria, no? Ma-contaminate, no?
Bacilli numida.
Correct. Correct.
Ay, ito.
Kaya po, inihigaan sa bantay. That's why you are not going to make your bed ahead if there is no patient. Okay, you are only going to make beds in the private room wherein after making beds, you are going to lock the door and close the window.
Tichok na mo ito.
Ready
Kulay ng
for the
magdang
occupancy
bacteria.
of your house. Okay, so for example, the patient is already kamanawag na sa ER, naghibo ka na bed. Wala. You are going to open this one for the incoming patient. Or you are going to open this one if your patient is around, naglakad lang siya sa CR or naglakad lang siya sa clinic or sa emergency room or in the X-ray department wherein kapag abot sa pasyente mo, the bed is already made. Okay, so you are going to make this one as an open bed. Closed bed niya, ang open bed, you are going to open this one. Open this one, and then, ibutan mo siya. So, open bed na rin tawag. Okay, so closed bed ko pag-ina, ang ini open bed. Okay, so pinanglan ang ini siya ng center. In our hospital, ang pasyente pag-abot niya, mayara na siya yung pilo. At pag-abot sa emergency room, she's going to pay for the pillow. Kung hindi wala ka bayad, wala ka ulo na. And you are not allowed to bring your home pillow with you. Hindi ka pwede magdalas ng mga sa balay na ulo na. Hindi sa hospital na ulo. So every time, ang pasyente nyo may dala na ulo na. Makulit siya, dala ko naman ang ulo na. Pero bilin ang prenda. Okay. So this is now your open bed. So, kasi hindi, for example, maabot na o masaka na, you are going to make this one ano. Okay, so ready for the patient. Intindi? Okay. Sinong gamay? Ang gamay, makita ang gamay. Eh? Ikaw, Guru Ray, sinong gamay? Sa inyong kadiwa? We are going to make an occupied bed.